Hey Scorpio, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading for Scorpio soulmates. All that I need to know about your connection, your person, where things are going, their feelings, intentions, and possibly what can you expect from this situation. Okay, so let's start. This is going to be for Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising for the next 7 to 8 days. First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. One card for Scorpio's overall energy going to be like. Six of Pentacles. Right now, you guys could be a part of a situationship, not exactly a commitment. Okay. Top card we have is Ace of Swords. Many of you guys are wanting to talk to someone, like wanting to express yourself or explain yourself in terms of what's coming your way. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio itself. Okay. Someone who could be slightly little selfish. Okay, but with the death card, I do see some of you guys wanting to end something or wanting to get rid of something. Okay, some of you guys could be having a situation where you guys are involved with two individuals. Okay, one who you think is going to be healthy for you, and then there's one from the past who you have to cut, but you haven't cut them completely. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next 78 days, Scorpio. We have the Wheel of Fortune for you, which speaks about things going forward. If you feel stuck in a situation or you feel stuck at work or family situation, I see things going forward. You finally feeling like like things are going in your direction. Okay, so positive changes for sure. With Star card, if you have lost faith or hope in a situation, project, or like whatever you are a part of, then in coming days you're going to be much more positive about it. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next 7 to 8 days. With Page of Wands, I believe if some of you guys have not heard from your person, soulmate, then I believe someone wants to talk to you. They are definitely going to reach out. Okay. In terms of your relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like, Scorpio? We have Three of Pentacles. So I believe in terms of relationship, if you take a step forward, things are going to go in your favor or possibly move forward. Regarded you take that first step. Right now, you guys could not be very much on good terms. You guys are both waiting on each other to make the first move. But if you do, I do see your person cooperating. Okay. In terms of your person's energy, what's your person's energy like, Scorpio soulmate? Your person seems a bit confused. With the Magician card, this person definitely wants to manifest this connection, okay, in terms of their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions with King of Pentacles, they definitely want something stable, okay. How are they thinking about you now? With Queen of Swords, this person wants to talk. Okay, this could not be very emotional conversation or a very lovey-dovey conversation. This could be straightforward conversation. Some of you guys could be dealing with the air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, for some of you, this person could be younger. Not for all, but yes. Okay, for some of you, your person will reach out. You guys will communicate. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you now? Four of Pentacles. For now, they want to hold on to you. Like, they do not want to let go of this connection or possibly, lose you in any which way. Okay. I do feel like this person misses you to a point that they will initiate that conversation. Even if you haven't heard from them, I do see them reaching out. Okay. In terms of action, what are their intentions towards Scorpio? Okay. So if your person had ghosted you, then your person definitely wants to come forward now. Okay, what action are they going to take towards you now? So with the Lovers card, say suppose this person had other option besides you, then they want to choose you besides the other one. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you. With feelings, this person has always been in and out. Okay, they were never completely in, they were never completely out. They were basically at crossroads. Okay, but in the past things have been good. It's not like it has been like shallow and painful all throughout. Things have been good in the past as well. Right now, however, I believe this person feels a bit hurt, to be very honest. Something has happened in the past which has led to this silence. Either you said something or did something which intentionally, unintentionally has hurt them. They are at crossroads and they were waiting for you to reach out. I do not think that you realize that, but you guys are also waiting for them. But if you don't even initiate that first move, they will message you, but they might take a couple of more days to reach out, but they will. Okay, in terms of their heart space, heart space with three of cups. In the past as well, this person has been coming off very friendly. Okay, like even if they were not talking about their feelings or intentions, they were very friendly towards you. Like they wanted this friendship going. They do not really express their feelings much. They rather come off bit controlling, dominating, bit detached. But at the same time, like when it comes to friendship, they are very much there. But the problem is I see a lot of threes. So I do feel for some of you there is a third party involvement either on your end or their end. Okay, if it's not on your end, it's on their end. Okay, so yes, in terms of their headspace, how do they feel about Scorpio? For some of you, you guys were very good friends in the past, and then it moves forward to much more than that. With three of wands, in terms of headspace, they are planning to come forward. Okay, with Emperor card, they will take action. With Seven of Cups, things might be a bit confusing right now, but they'll miss you so much so that they'll take that first step forward. Okay, so where are things going for now? For now, with the Sun card, you will definitely, for most of you, will get their attention. Okay, I see you being happy. What do they want from you now? Ten of Pentacles. So many of you, this person wants to marry you. Okay, if at all they have blockages, like what would the major blockages be? Major blockages is silence, lack of knowledge, lack of awareness about this connection. They do not know what you are doing. You do not know what they are doing. So this secrecy, that's this like silence between the two of you has been the major blockage. Okay, and this controlling behavior, which is on both ends, to be honest. Okay, so in terms of what can they offer you for now? For now, this person will get a little sexual with you, a bit flirty with you. Things could also lead to a bit of sexting. Okay, with the Fool card, for now they might not take that leap of faith, like jump and directly ask for like commitment, but they will give you hints. Okay, I do not see them directly offering you like commitment for the next 8 to 10 days. They will take their time, but yes, their intention is such. Okay, overall, where do you see this connection going? Overall, I do see it going forward. Howsoever, with the Moon card, because of the silence, you guys might take more time than usual to get back. Okay, Moon could also mean almost a month. Okay, with Eight of Wands, I do see a lot of communication coming your way for sure. Okay, in terms of what are they hiding from you? They are hurt without you. They are not taking that action because they feel hurt. Okay, with King of Cups, they still love you. How do they view you now? How do they view Scorpio now? Ace of Wands. They still have that those feelings for you, that passion for you, that attraction for you, those emotions for you. In terms of the connection, how do they feel about the connection? For some of you, you were way too good looking than them, and they consider you something very very next level. Okay, with the Hanged Man, they know that things have got stagnant now, and things have been stagnant for a while with the Hanged Man here. But things can work if you guys put an effort and take that action or that step forward. With Five of Cups, they know that if they don't, you guys will possibly lose an opportunity or lose the chance of getting back together. Okay, so one kind of advice for Scorpios moving forward. Whatever you do, make practical decisions. Do not take emotional decisions, because what you do now is possibly going to shape your future. So you choose them, you reject them, whatever you do. Okay, think through. Okay, so in terms of Scorpio, if they are dealing with water sign, what to come? I mean, what's to come? If you're dealing with a Scorpio, or sorry, if you're dealing with the water sign Scorpios, I see this person eagerly wanting your attention with Page of Cups and Six of Wands, and mostly you guys will get the attention. If you're dealing with air sign is a bit wishy-washy. Okay, sometimes they feel they want this, sometimes they are like, I'm gonna drop this shit. However, where it's gonna come to. Air sign is difficult because air sign is focused on possibly resisting you, okay, because they feel let down. Okay, in terms of earth sign, Scorpio is dealing with earth sign. Okay, earth sign with temperance card are much more balanced in terms of where things would go. Four of swords. Okay, earth sign definitely wants to balance the connection out. They want to heal the bond as well if things were not looking good. And for majority of you, if you're dealing with the earth sign, they willingly will take that action. This person also looks much more mature if you compare the other signs. Okay, so water, air, earth, fire. If you guys are dealing with fire, fire sign seems confused. They do not know where things are going. Okay, one more card comes up. What do they want with you now? They do want the connection to grow. However, they have no idea how to approach, what to do, what to expect. They have no idea in terms of where things would go. So things will go forward. Regarded, it might take a little more effort. Okay, right now your person seems a bit stuck and confused, but they do want it. Okay, so yes, for now I see only the air sign being a bit difficult. Yes, the fire would be little confused, but they'll take their due time. Okay, however, if you guys are dealing with earth sign, it's looking really good. The water sign is a bit flirty and emotional. They love your attention. I really do not know about the future, but for now they do want you around. Okay, so let's take love messages. Scorpio love messages. What your person really want to say to you now? Scorpio person, what are they dying to tell you? I miss our old happy times. I wish life was easier. I miss our old happy times. Wish life was easier. We both have different plans. How can we come together? Differences. So there are definitely differences. You guys had different plans, and you guys possibly chose to give up on the connection. However, some of them might still be a bit pessimistic about the connection coming together. Okay, in terms of the future, what would the person want to say to you? For some of you, I do believe that in the past they could have given you an idea that they have lost interest in you, but it's not true. They were lying like about that. I know you think it's over, but it's not. I still want this. Okay, so that's the last message. So yes, this is your reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. If it has resonated, kindly hit that like button because every like counts and helps me get more reach. If you have been new to my channel, please subscribe. All those who want a personal reading with me, please reach out on the website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.